Magandang araw mga bata! Handa na ba kayo sa ating pag-aaralan ngayong araw? Bago tayo mag-umpisa sa ating aralin, manatili lang po kayong nakatayo at tayo ay mananalangin. Amen! Ngayon naman, may lumiban ba sa ating klase ngayong araw? Mahusay! So ngayon, meron po akong inihandang short video.
Get ready to warm up. Shake 'em just like this. Shake 'em just like this. Shake 'em just like this. And roll your hands. Wiggle them just like this. Wiggle them just like this. Wiggle them just like this. And roll your hands. Clap them just like this. Clap them just like this. Clap them just like this. And roll your hands. I like to move. I like to groove. So come on, shake them just like this. Wiggle them just like this. Clap them just like this. And roll your hands.
So ngayon naman, meron akong inihandang isang laro dito. Itataas niyo lamang ang inyong mga kamay kung alam niyo ang sagot. Okay ba? Okay, so umpisahan na natin.
So ayan, sa tingin ko nga ay kayo ay handa na sa ating aralin ngayong araw. So ang ating pag-aaralan ay the region of the Philippines. So una na nga dito ay ang Region 1. Region 1, it is one of the historic location. So ang Region 1 ay may 4 na provinces. Ito na nga yung La Union, Pangasinan, Ilocos Norte at Ilocos Sur. Intangible and tangible culture naman sa Ilocos Norte ay ang empanada, pinakbet, Puto Kalasyaw, Longganisa Festival, Bangus Festival, Poway Church, and Calle Crisolgo. So, the major industries of Region 1 is, industries of the region are most agricultural based like crop production, mining, manufacturing, famous for agro-industrial products such as milk, fish, or bangus. So ngayon, tumako naman po tayo sa Region 2. Region 2, as the name itself, the region lies between a valley and mountain range, Sierra Madre or mountain ranges. So meron pong 5 provinces ang Region 2. Batanes, Cagayan, Isabela, Nueva Vizcaya, at Quirino. So intangible and tangible culture of Region 2 is Pansit, Batin, Patong, Pansit Kabagan, Piat Sambali Festival, Ibatan Festival, at Akiro Festival. So major industries is Cagayan Valley, powered by Bagat Dam, rice, corn, and tobacco were harvested in this region. So now let's move on for Region 3 or Central Luzon. Having an enormous land area due to its large plains and its rice producing on the rice granary of the Philippines. So, meron pong 7 provinces ang Region 3. Una na nga dito ay ang Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Tarlac, at Zambales. So, language and dialect spoken of Region 3 is Tagalog, English, Ilocano, Sambal, and Spanish. So, intangible and tangible culture of Region 3 is Berasoy Church, Camp Pangaiti and War Memorial Shrine, Batotay, Obando Fertility Dance, Sabutan Festival, and Arroyo of Peñaranda. And the major industries of Region 3 are agriculture, farming, forestry, fishing, and mining. So now let's move on for Region 4A. Region 4A, it is a home for some of our notable heroes such as Emilio Aguinaldo, Miguel Malvar, and Jose Rizal. So, Region 4, we have 5 provinces. So, first is Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Quezon, and Rizal. And that language and dialect spoken and is Tagalog. Tagalog and English are widely spoken in Calabarzon. Batangueño is spoken in Batangas and Cavacqueño in Cavite. Intangible and tangible culture of Region 4A are Santa Cruzan, Pahiyas Festival, Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage, and the major industries of Region 4A focuses on a semi-processed industrial raw materials and industrial components, automotive, electronics, and manufacturing. For Region 4A. Region 4A, this is the region has a pride with exotic islands, provinces with its flora and fauna, and it houses breathtaking natural beauty and its purity. So, we have 5 provinces of Region 4A. First is Marinduque, Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Palawan, and Romblon. And language and dialect spoken of Region 4B are Tagalog, English, Romblomanon, Cuyanon, Asri, and Onhan. So, the intangible and tangible culture of Region 4A are Marianas Festival, Colombo Festival, and Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. The major industries of Region 4B focuses on rice, corn, banana, calamansi, coconut, tobacco, fisheries, and aquamarines. And the product is meat, fish, prawns, salt, tuna, octopus, and seaweeds. Now let's move on for Region 5. The region is the gateway to the islands of Visayas and Mindanao, and it is between the international seas, hence a gateway to the Pacific. We have 6 provinces of Region 5. So first is Albay, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, and Sorsogon. And the language or dialect spoken of Region 5 is Bigalonan, Masbateño, Sorsogonan, Rinconada, Bisacol, Tagalog, Cebuano, or Hiligaynon. And intangible and tangible culture of Region 5 is Feast of Our Lady of Penafrancia, Honor of Our Lady of Penafrancia, Kasagwarins, Bicol Express, Pilgrimage to Jaron, and Butanding Festival. And the major industries of Region 5 is agriculture. It is known for pili nuts, coconut, abaca, banana, jackfruit, and coffee. Industries in commercial, fishing, mining, handcrafts, and jewelry. So now let's move on for Region 6. Region 6 is home to some beautiful churches and beaches in the world. Region 6 is we have 6 provinces. So first is Aklan, Antique, Capiz, Guimaras, Iloilo, at Negros Occidental. And the language and dialect spoken of Region 6 are Aklanon, Malaynon, Antiburangon, Capisanon, Hiligaynon, Kinuray, Kalolayon, and Ligbok. The intangible culture of Region 6, first is Ati-Atihan Festival, Batchoy, Chicken Inasal, Tinagyang Festival, Mascara Festival, Mag-Aw Festival, and Boracay Islands. And also, the major industries is focusing on agriculture, products, fishing, and mining. So now let's move on for Region 7 or Central Visayas. This region lies at the center of the Philippines between Luzon and Mindanao. So Region 7 is, we have a 4 province. First is Bohol, Cebu, Quijor, and Negros Oriental. So language and dialect spoken of Region 7 is Cebuano, Baholano, Parobano, and English. So, the intangible and tangible culture of Region 7 are Baclayan Church, Chocolate Hills, Magellan's Cross, Lechon, Tulog Festival, and Suroy sa Musikero. And the major industries is agriculture, fishery, shipping, and tourism, and as there's hold for their industries. At ang huling region naman ay ang Region 8. This region lies on the eastern border of the country. It consists of Samar and Leyte, and it is connected through San Juanico Bridge. So, we have 6 provinces in Region 8. So, first is Biliran, Eastern Samar, Leyte, Northern Samar, Samar or Southern Leyte. And the language or dialect spoken of Region 8 is Filipino and English. Our dominant dialects used were Waray, Cebuano, Bahulano, Leyte, Samarnon, and Inakbanon. For intangible and tangible culture of Region 8 is Binagol, Baduya nga Pasayan, and Mayaw-Mayaw Festival. And the major industries is mining, farming, fishing, and tourism contribute to the economy of the region. So, grade 4, kayo ba ay natuto sa ating aralin ngayong araw? Mahusay! Ngayon, maaari po ba kayong magsitayo lahat? Paalam, grade 4!